Dealing with pests can be truly bothersome. It's better to prevent the infestation at the start of their appearance, before they get worse. There are tons of different chemicals in the market that you can use, but sometimes they can be really toxic and bad for your health. Learn how to kill cockroaches within 5 minutes with this natural home remedy. This solution is very easy to make and can be used safely around areas infested by these pests. Most of the ingredients you need for this solution are already in your pantry. Give this simple solution a try for a pest-free house. So you are going to need an onion, baking soda, half a lemon and some water. These ingredients work so well because they repel and kill cockroaches. Cockroaches hate the smell of onions. Its pungent smell will make them avoid the area at all costs. Similar to onions, cockroaches are absolutely repulsed by lemon juice as well. Citrus fruits such as lemon have antipathogenic properties that keep roaches at bay. The strong smell of baking soda is also known to drive away cockroaches, and if they eat baking soda it can create a gas in their stomachs, which kills them. So next follow these instructions to create a cockroach toxic cocktail. Step 1. Peel the onion and slice it in half. Step 2. Grate the onions and put it into a small bowl. Step 3. Add a few teaspoons of baking soda or baking powder to the shredded onion. Next, squeeze half of the lemon into the mixture. Bubbles will form because of the reaction between the lemon juice and baking powder. Mix all ingredients well until they are combined. Step 4. Transfer the mixture to a bigger bowl and add some water. Stir it well. Step 5. Strain the mixture into another container to remove the shredded onion. Step 6. Transfer the solution into a spray bottle using a funnel. Step 7. Spray the solution on areas where you often see cockroaches. You can also apply it anywhere, especially in the corners of your home. This spray will repel cockroaches and other pests, and if they happen to consume the spray, it will poison their bodies. So these 3 simple ingredients can come to your defense if you're experiencing a cockroach invasion. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to make mice and rats disappear in 60 seconds without using poison or traps. Thanks for watching and bye for now.